How to add a photo to your Google account. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add a photo to your Google account on your Android phone. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first you have to open your phone settings. Then here scroll down and go open Google. And here if you have multiple emails on your phone, you can tap on here on your name and email and select the email. So after selecting, tap on manage your Google account and here tap on personal info. Then here in personal info you will see under basic info, add a photo to your personalized account. Tap on it and here tap on set profile photo. You can take a photo or choose a photo from your gallery. So I will just tap on choose photo. Then here choose the photo you want to set as your profile picture. And here tap on accept. And that photo will be set as your profile photo to your Google account. So this is how you can add a photo to your Google account. Thanks for watching.